So I'm going to show you what to do in case an app or a game is stuck or frozen on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and it's basically frozen the entire tablet and you cannot move or do anything. How do you fix that problem? So this is very simple. What you need to do is, obviously I'm assuming mine is stuck, but it's not. But what you need to do is press and hold the volume down and power button. So volume down, power button, just press and hold those two buttons. Ignore whatever you see on the screen and continue holding. Just keep holding. Just keep holding those two buttons. Screen will go dark. Just wait for that Samsung logo to come back up. You can count 10 seconds. There you go. Release and your tablet will boot right back up. So that's basically a forced restart and it helps to fix or to circumvent stuck or frozen applications on your tablet. Thanks for watching and good luck.